LWS. Installing a Haldex lining wear sensor called an LWS is simple and quick if you follow these procedures step by step. This video shows you how to install an LWS on a truck. Assembly. Before you start, ensure that the vehicle doesn't move by blocking the wheels. Safety first. Make sure the brake system has a minimum of 6 bar air pressure to keep the spring brake fully released. Check if the new LWS has an arrow in the same direction as the old one. Line up the two control marks to the 0 position. This corresponds to the 0 position on the S camshaft. Assemble the LWS onto the S camshaft without turning the LWS splines disc. Tighten the adjustment screw loosely and remove the LWS again. Now check that the disc on the LWS has not moved. Assemble the LWS onto the camshaft again. Slip on as many distance washers as you need to achieve an axial clearance of 0.5 to 1 mm on the S-cam splines. Then secure the circlip to the shaft. Now check the axial clearance. Tighten the adjusting screw to 3.5 Nm. Refit the LWS contact. Rotate the adjusting hex nuts clockwise until the linings contact the drum. Then back off anti-clockwise 3/4 of a turn. The hex nut is quite heavy to turn and should click loudly during turning. Now you have finished the installation.